Good morning everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Nissan to globally export China-developed EVs, NIM, a decentralized platform for privacy-preserving internet, Google set to eliminate third-party cookies from Chrome, Meta and X offer ad-free subscription amidst Christmas season ads and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Nissan plans to export China-developed electric vehicles (EVs) globally, aims to compete with foreign brands like Tesla, BMW and Ford, considering exporting existing combustion engine vehicles and upcoming EVs to overseas markets. Responding to severe sales challenges faced by Japanese automakers in China, China accounted for just over a fifth of Nissan's global sales, down from over a third last year. Nissan establishes a joint research center with Tsinghua University in China for EV research and development. Next up we have Poco introduces the Poco C65 in India, a budget-friendly smartphone. Features a 6.74-inch HD plus 90Hz display and a MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Available in pastel blue and matte black colors, priced under Rs 10,000. Offers multiple storage options including 4 plus 128 GB, 6 plus 128 GB and 8 plus 256 GB. First sale on 18 December 2023 via Flipkart with prices ranging from Rs 7,499 to Rs 10,999. Includes a side fingerprint scanner and a 5000 mAh battery with a 10-watt C-type charger. NIM is a decentralized platform focused on privacy and data control. Utilizes mixnets, zero-knowledge proofs and decentralized identifiers (DIDs). Mixnets encrypt and mix data ensuring anonymity, while zero-knowledge proofs allow secure knowledge sharing. DIDs empower users to manage their data and identities independently. NIM caters to individuals and businesses, contributing to a more private and secure internet. Potential applications in healthcare, finance, education, and transportation sectors. CERT-IN warns of high-risk vulnerabilities for Apple and Samsung users. Vulnerabilities pose a threat to sensitive information. Apple users advised to update iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS, and Safari. Samsung users urged to update Android versions 11, 12, 13, and 14. Vulnerabilities could be exploited by malicious entities, emphasizing the importance of timely updates. CERT-IN highlights the significance of securing devices against potential threats. Google announces plans to eliminate third-party cookies starting from 4th January. Initially, 1% of Chrome users can disable access to third-party cookies globally. Google to enable cookies for specific websites in case of browsing malfunctions. Move raises concerns from advertising companies about personalized ad targeting. Addresses user privacy concerns but sparks debate about the impact on advertising industry practices. Google's step aligns with the broader industry trend towards increased user privacy. Next up we have Pakistan experiences nationwide internet disruptions during a virtual rally by Imran Khan's PTI. Social media platforms face difficulties leading to complaints from users. PTI condemns disruptions, attributing them to fear of the party's growing popularity. Users report challenges accessing social media platforms in major cities. PTA, Pakistan's telecom authority, does not respond to inquiries regarding the disruptions. Pakistan previously ranked third globally in imposing internet restrictions in 2023. At last, Meta offers ad-free subscriptions for Facebook and Instagram at 9.99 euros per month in Europe. X, formerly Twitter, launched an ad-free option in October, and TikTok and Snapchat are testing ad-free subscriptions. Provides an escape from online ads for users with deep enough pockets. Represents the ongoing trade-off between enjoying free services and dealing with online ads. Newspapers and magazines have shifted to subscription models as the value of online ads erodes. Highlights the evolving landscape of revenue models in the digital age. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।